Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. Today we're going to take a look at the MINIX USB-C multi-port SSD storage hubs. So these are for Apple MacBook Airs, and you can also use a Windows laptop as well, as we've tested. And they come in two different styles, but basically identical, just different colours. As you can see in the box, one is silver and one is kind of a space grey, but they both do the same thing. And they have different storage levels, and some of the speed is different. With 240 gig, you've up to 400 megs read and write speeds, and with the 120 gig, you've 350 meg read and write speeds. So in other words, they're pretty fast and they're pretty portable, and they're also very well made compared to other portable storage units. Now the difference with these as well is that you typically get ports like this, which will allow you to add HDMI and so on, but these actually have storage on board, which is excellent. And not only that, they can connect to your phone as well, which we'll show you in a minute. So we're going to take a look at them first of all and show you what they look like. So this is the 120 gig storage. You've got HDMI output for 4K at 30 Hz, USB by 2, and you have USB power delivery. So I'm going to show you what it looks like here. And you get a little bag as well to carry them in, which is excellent with the MINIX branding. And you also get a little card inside with some information. Basically you just plug them in and that's it. You find them on your file, there's no problem at all. So we'll just pop that out there. So here is the 120 gig. So this will be the slower of the two, if you will, and the cheapest. So you've got an LED here, the MINIX branding on the front. There's a nice polished finish on it as well, which is excellent. And underneath you've got some rubber feet, your USB port here, and then your other ports here on the side. So you've got two USBs, HDMI and USB-C. Oddly enough, there is no micro SD, but maybe they'll include that in a different version. And on to the next one. And again, it's the same thing. You get your MINIX pouch as well, which is nice kind of velvet feel to it. And you can see this is a darker colour here. Again, you have your 240 gigabyte SD here, and your LED here, 4 feet on the bottom, and on the back some more information there. So they're basically identical, do the same thing, and this is what they look like here. The only difference being is the colour, and that the 240 gig has faster read and write speeds, and you can tell the difference when you're transferring files. But nonetheless, they really do give you some extra portability factor here when you think about it, because as I said, you normally get these adapters here, but none have storage, but these have storage built in, and there's plenty of storage there. So if you've got 4K content and the likes, if you're on the go, you can easily transfer. So what we'll do is we'll plug it in and you'll hear the computer, and you'll see the LED come on here, and that's what it'll look like there. And you can place it really anywhere. You have a nice enough cable there, and it's portable. So with the 240 gig, I noticed when you plug it in, you get an extra little sound. You might be able to hear it on camera there, but there's kind of an extra little sound coming in when you plug it in and out. So we'll try it again and see if we can hear it. It's kind of 2 or 3 little beeps, but that's it. But the connectivity is instant, and they look well, very well finished product as well, with the premium finish on them there. It's not cheap material, and again you have your options of 2 different storage levels, which is 120 and 240. And remembering again, 350 megabytes on the 120 and 400 megabytes on the 240. So you're only down 50 megs, which isn't a whole lot, but for storage capacity you have your options there, and for the size and what they offer. And you know, it's up to yourself to decide. Personally, I like this one here because of the colour, but this one nonetheless matches my laptop more so than this. But again, it's down to personal choice. I like the LED light on it here as well, and then again, as I said, the functionality. Also, while testing these, I have noticed that if you have your phone with USB-C, you can pop in your phone and you will be given the option to check the storage. I'm just going to plug the second one out here as well. You can see the power light coming on there, and you'll be given the chance to explore what's on the actual drive itself, as you can see there, so you can explore or eject. So again, something to keep in mind. It's very versatile, very portable, a lot on offer for the price. One's going to set you back 80 and one's going to set you back 100. And really, if you're spending the 80 and you want the extra storage for 20 extra quid, for 120 gigs extra storage and faster read write speeds, you could go for the bigger option here. But again, it's down to yourself. But that's it for now on the MINIX multi-part SSD storage hubs, and they are labelled as working with MacBooks and so on, but they work on Windows laptops as well. And as I said, if you have a USB-C phone, you can also access them as well and so on, and move files. So not bad. Check them out. We'll drop a link below, and we'll see you in the next one. And thanks to MINIX for sending this out, and we'll see you soon.